This is 18047 Hoover, updowns. We need to get rid of all the trash along the fence line. It goes all the way down to the end of the parking lot. Trash out of the stairwells. These stairwells up here are really dirty and they need to be cleaned. Maybe we can fill in that gap right there. But gross, unacceptable. It's in all of them, all four. We need to get the bugs out of the corner and wipe down the walls. The grass has been cut back here. More trash. Trash out of the stairwells. And clean out trash along the fence line and behind the fence, between the two fences. I know this isn't ours, but can we get it like trimmed back or cleaned up? It's bordering our driveway. We've got some trees down, like limbs down, that we need to get taken care of, and trash out front. Some of these trees could use a trim. The front doesn't look too bad. Actually, we need address plates redone here. Let's see what the front stairwells look like. When they come to trash this place out, oh, this isn't even locked. Can they, whoever comes, take the flyers out of the doors? Yes, this is the key for this too. Sorry for the delay. So yeah, this could definitely do with mopping, vacuuming, get all the garbage out of the corners. That's chipped paint, but it's just also dirty. We need to clean these windows. They're smudgy and gross. We need a globe. I think that's a pest control thing in here. So again, more of same. We need a serious vacuuming. There's a lot of scuff marks and stuff on the paint. It looks like we don't have a light globe up there. I would imagine it's pretty similar throughout all four of these front entrances. And they just smell kind of dirty and musty. So hopefully we can get them smelling fresh and clean. Wipe down this door. Like the paint is dirty and dingy, and clean it up.